Hello, everyone. If you've been struggling with weight loss and feeling like nothing works, I've got something exciting to share with you. Let me introduce you to MITOLYN, a revolutionary herbal weight management formula designed to tackle the root causes of weight gain. With natural ingredients and no side effects, MITOLYN is helping people just like you achieve their health and fitness goals faster and more effectively. But before we dive into the benefits, here's a very important note. MITOLYN is only available on its official website. To avoid counterfeit products and ensure you're getting the original supplement with all its benefits, make sure to purchase directly from the official site. I've added the link in the description below, so don't miss out. Check it out today. Now, let's talk about what makes MITOLYN so unique. Unlike traditional weight loss methods that rely on crash diets or exhausting exercise routines, MITOLYN works naturally with your body. It contains 6 powerful ingredients, including maqui berry, rhodiola, haematococcus, amla, theobroma cacao, and schisandra, that have been carefully selected for their proven benefits. These ingredients target your mitochondria, the energy powerhouses in your cells, to improve metabolic efficiency, boost fat burning, and increase energy levels. One of the standout benefits of MITOLYN is its ability to reduce cortisol levels, also known as the stress hormone. High cortisol levels are one of the leading causes of weight gain and emotional eating. By regulating cortisol, MITOLYN helps you feel calmer, reduces cravings, and prevents fat accumulation caused by stress. Imagine feeling more in control of your body and mind. MITOLYN makes that possible. What's more, MITOLYN supports gut health. A healthy gut is key to proper digestion, nutrient absorption, and even weight management. With ingredients like amla and schisandra, this formula improves digestion, reduces bloating, and leaves you feeling lighter and more energized. Plus, the antioxidants in MITOLYN protect your cells from damage, slowing the signs of aging and supporting overall well-being. People who have tried MITOLYN are raving about the results. From losing pounds of stubborn fat to experiencing renewed energy and improved mental clarity, users are calling it a game changer. And the best part? MITOLYN is completely safe. It's non-GMO, stimulant-free, and manufactured in FDA-approved, GMP-certified facilities. You can trust that you're using a high-quality product designed for your health. MITOLYN comes in flexible pricing options to suit your needs. A single bottle costs $59, but the best value comes with the 6-bottle package for just $39 per bottle, which also includes free shipping. And here's the cherry on top. MITOLYN offers a 90-day money-back guarantee. If you're not satisfied for any reason, you can return it, even if the bottles are empty, and get a full refund. It's completely risk-free. So, if you're ready to take control of your weight and health, don't wait any longer. Click the link in the description below to visit the official MITOLYN website and place your order. Your journey to a healthier, more vibrant you starts here. Once you try it, don't forget to come back and share your experience in the comments. I'd love to hear your success story. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.